Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the rear upper control arm on a Jeep Grand Cherokee. First, ensure you have all necessary tools and safety equipment, like jack stands and safety glasses. Begin by safely lifting the rear of your vehicle and securing it with jack stands. Then, remove the rear wheel to gain clear access to the control arm area. Safety is paramount throughout this process. Now, let's get to removing the old control arm. Locate the mounting bolts at both ends of the control arm. Use the appropriate wrench or socket to loosen and then remove these bolts. Once the bolts are out, carefully detach the old control arm from its mounting points. Take a moment to inspect the bushings and surrounding suspension components for any signs of wear or damage. With the old arm removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully position the new control arm into its mounting brackets. Insert the bolts through the bushings and brackets, hand tightening them initially. It's crucial to ensure the control arm is oriented correctly. Once everything is in place, torque all mounting bolts to the manufacturer's specified values, typically around 95 to 105 foot-pounds, for secure installation. For the final steps, reinstall the rear wheel and carefully lower your Jeep Grand Cherokee back onto the ground. Once lowered, perform a thorough final inspection of all connections to ensure everything is secure and properly tightened. Remember to check the description for links to tools and other helpful deals. And speaking of essentials, staying hydrated is key, so check out the Owala water bottle link there too.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.